Numa Taruana, Northern Paiute language. Lesson 32. Basic sentence structure. So this word grammar, which in English means the general structure of language, which includes classes of words, their functions and relations in a sentence. We're going to be teaching the language through mild uses of grammar to help us understand why certain things must be said certain ways. So there is grammar in Numa. Okay, so the general structure of a sentence in English is subject, verb, object. Got to think about this kind of stuff, huh? So subject, verb, object, like a sentence, the man sees the woman. The man is the subject. Sees is the verb. And the object is the woman. So the man sees the woman. So what the subject means is the main person or thing being discussed in a sentence, the noun that acts on the verb. So it's the one who sees. When we say the man sees the woman, the man is the subject because he's the one who sees. And so a verb is an action word. We usually call it a word used to describe an action, state of being, or an occurrence. The same as above, but used to describe the predicate of a sentence, a verb stating something about the subject. All righty. And so in the word, the man sees the woman, sees is the verb. And now the object is a person or thing to which a specified action or feeling is attached, or the noun that the verb acts upon in a sentence, for instance, the one that is seen. So in the sentence, the man sees the woman is the object because she's the thing that is seen. The man sees the woman, very basic sentence. The man is the subject, sees is the verb, object. The one that sees, the one that is seen. So let's try another one. I have a house. Whereabouts is the verb in this one? It's to have, to possess, which can also be called a predicate because there's no action, just like a state of being, have a house. Where would the object be? The object is a house because it's the thing that is possessed. Then the subject, the one that possesses, is I. I have a house. Subject, verb, object. Tugi. Yesh. Now let's talk about sentence structure in Nima. First, let's do a short vocabulary check. Nana is man. Woman is mogotni. House is nobi. To see is bunni. To like is bidzappi. And to have is katyo. Okay, so general structure in Nima is subject, object, verb. So remember, in English, it was subject, verb, object. But in Paiute, it's subject, object, verb. Nana mogotni bunni. Nana mogotni bunni. Man sees woman. Man sees woman. Man, or nana, is the subject. Mogotni is the object. And bunni is the verb. So the one that sees is the subject, man. The one that is seen is the object, woman. And the verb at the end, bunni. So in English, it sounds like man, woman, sees. So that's the order of subject, object, verb. But sentence order is essential to understand who is doing the verb, the subject, and who the verb is happening to, which is the object. This is the main goal of this lesson, to get the structure in proper order. So nana mogotni bunni. Man sees woman. Subject, object, verb. The nana is doing the verb, seeing. The verb is happening to the mogotni. She is being seen. You guys getting it? Yes, let's try some more. Ne no you. Ne no you. Means I have a house, or I house have in English order. So we see that I am the subject. Novi is the object. And katyu is the verb, to have. I am the possessor. The novi is the thing which is possessed. Jane ubidzapi. Jane ubitsapi. Jane likes you. Jane is the subject, the one which likes. You are the object, the one which is liked. Now it's your turn. Number 1. How would you say man sees woman? Nana mogotni bunni. What about woman sees man? Mogotni nana bunni. Mogotni nana bunni. So it's very important which one goes first. The subject goes first. 3. John sees Jane. John Jane bunni. John Jane bunni. Jane sees John. Number 4. Jane John bunni. Jane John bunni. All righty. Number 5. John has a house. John nobiketyo. John nobiketyo. Jane has horse or a horse. Jane bugugayyo. Jane bugugayyo. Woman has house. Mogotni nobiketyo. Mogotni nobiketyo. Number 8. Man has horse. Nana bugugayyo. Nana bugugayyo. So all we're trying to do is establish the order. If we're talking about has, the one that goes first is the one that has, and the one that goes second is the thing that is had or possessed. 9. Woman likes man. Mogotni nana bidzapi. Mogotni nana bidzapi. John likes Jane. John Jane bidzapi. John Jane bidzapi. 11. Jane likes man. Jane nana bidzapi. Jane nana bidzapi. Man likes Jane. Nana Jane bidzapi. Nana Jane bidzapi. So on these ones, we're talking about to like, bidzapi. So whoever goes first is the one that likes. The one that goes second is the one that is liked. So remember, the one that sees goes first. When we're talking about bunni, the one that is seen goes second. And the verb bunni goes at the end. Same when we're talking about bidzapi or to like. The one that likes goes first. The one that is liked goes second. And the verb bidzapi goes at the end. And so now talking about to have. The one that possesses or has goes first. The one that is possessed or is had goes second. And the verb katyo goes at the end. So remember, sentence structure in Nima generally is subject, object, verb. Matno. End of lesson 32.